I'm Kinky. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I got this really cute and easy style using this kinky straight hair that I received from West Kiss. So now let's go ahead and get into the details. So again, this hair is from West Kiss, and I have their kinky straight U-part 180% density wig in 22 inches. And these are a few things that came inside of the packaging. And I love when companies include stuff like this. It just makes you feel so appreciated, and these things definitely come in handy, y'all. I have this bonnet on right now as I'm filming this video. Well, filming this voiceover. So now let's get more into the hair. Again, this is their kinky straight U-part wig, and I have it in 22 inches. And as you can see, the hair is just so nice. I love the quality of this hair. So easy to comb through. You can see my fingers are literally just slipping through the hair. So again, this is a U-part unit, so it does come with the area in the front that is already cut out, and it also comes with clip around the perimeter so that you can just clip it onto your hair and not having to worry about it slipping or going anywhere. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I ended up styling the hair, and I decided to do wand curls for this look. So I'll be showing you guys like a nice detailed tutorial on how to do wand curls. And I actually decided to wear my hair up in like a claw clip kind of style, but I'll also be showing you guys how to wear the hair if you just want to wear it down like in the middle part. So I'll be showing you guys two styles in this video. So enough of me talking, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I curled this hair, how I styled it, and I will pick back up with you guys towards the end of the video.
How do you know the way I feel? You got me losing my mind. Oh, try to suppress my emotions. They're bursting like fountains, baby. They take me up, they take me down. I'm getting weak on my knees. Oh,
Alright y'all, so here are the finished looks for this style. I did go with like a cute little claw clip updo hairstyle, but you can also wear this hairstyle down as well. And again, this hair is from WestKiss. This is their Kinky Straight U-part wig in 22 inches, and this is 180% density. I'll have all of their information in my description box, along with links and discount codes for this hair. If you guys have any questions, please just leave them below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Jump like